Hello everyone, my name is Salim Anwar. My topic is on 5G wireless technology. Let's begin with the content. In this content, it is with introduction to 5G, evolution from 1G to 5G, key concept, hardware and software of 5G, features, advantages, application, and conclusion. Let's begin with the introduction part to 5G. Let's talk about what is 5G, what does it offer. What is 5G? 5G or wireless, a 5G fifth generation wireless technology, complete wireless communication with almost no limitation, can be called real can be called real wireless world, has incredible transmission speed. Concept is only theory, not real. What does it offers? Worldwide cellular phones, extraordinary data capabilities, high connectivity, more power and features in handheld phone, large phone memory, more dialing speed, more clarity in audio and video. Evolution from 1G to 5G. Let's talk about 5G. Next major phase of mobile telecommunication and wireless system. 5G will be the next major phase. 10 times more capability than other wireless communication. Expected speed up to 1 gigabytes per second, more faster and reliable than 4G, which is going through a lower cost than previous generation. Key concept: real wireless world with no more limitation, with excess of zone issues, variable devices, one unified global standard, smart radio. The user can simultaneously be connected with several wireless access technology, multiple accurate data transfer path, hardware and software part of 5G. Hardware, let's talk about hardware. Uses UWB, which is world ultra wide band networks with high bandwidth at low energy level. Bandwidth is of 4000 Mbps, which is 400 times faster than today's wireless technology networks. User uses smart antennas, uses CDMA, which is code division multiple access. Let's talk about 5G software. 5G will be a single unified standard of different wireless network, including LAN technologies, LAN, WAN, WWW, World Wide Wireless Web, unified IP, and seamless combination of broadband, software defined radio encryption. Features of 5G: high resolution for crazy cell phone users, bidirectional large bandwidth, less traffic, uploading and downloading speed of 5G touching the peak up to 1 gigabytes, better and faster solution. Feature: high speed service based on policy to avoid error, provide subscribers supervision tool for faster action. Advantages of 5G: data bandwidths of 1 gigabytes or higher, globally accessible, dynamic information access, available at low cost. Application, let's talk about applications of 5G. Application will be provision global network, media independent handover, radio resource management, VoIP, that is voice over IP address enabled devices, variable devices with artificial intelligence capabilities. Thank you.